This is 10224 Olivia Drive. This 1,800 square foot, freshly updated home is a perfect find for a first-time home buyer or a small family. Some of the recent updates include hardwood flooring, stainless steel appliances, fresh paint, and carpet in all bedrooms. One of the things I love most about this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is the additional study that sits just off the front entryway. It would be a great office, or if needed, a great 4th bedroom. This home sits on the most western edge of McKinney, but feeds into some of the best schools in FRISCO ISD. Another great thing about this property is that it sits relatively close to some great shopping centers, including grocery stores, fitness centers, and some great restaurants. If you live in this area, you are very familiar with the home price increases that we've seen over the last several years, and you know how hard it is to find a home like this for under $300,000. When you're ready to come take a look at this beautiful property, feel free to give me a call on my cell phone at 214-578-8665, and I'd be more than happy to show it to you.